Good morning, student. Today we will learn our new chapter, chapter 21 of English 1. It's do, does, and did. So let's start our topic do, does, and did. Student, first we will learn about do and does. Okay? Where we use do and where we use does. Do or does is used in the present tense. Now, will you think of what is the present tense? So, the habit and work which do daily is called present tense. For example, mother cooks food, father works at the office, and third, he eats food. Now, question is how to use do and does and where we use do and where we use does. So, children, remember carefully, okay? And listen carefully. Do use with I, we, you and they. Do use with I, we, you and they. And does use with he, she, it and name. Does is used with he, she, it and name. You have to always remember, okay? It do use with I, we, you, they and does use with he, she, it and name. Okay, children. Our next topic is did. In this topic, we will know that where we use did. Did is used in the past tense. Okay? Did is used in the past tense. Past tense means things we did yesterday. Things we did yesterday. For example, he did the laundry. You did your work. We did the dishes. That means the action has already happened. Remember, we use do, does for everyday action but did for past action. Okay? Now student, we learn to make different type of sentence using do, does and did. Children, we use does not and to not to make a negative sentence in the simple present tense. For example, simple sentence is you speak English. And to make it in negative, we will write you don't speak English. Second example is he speaks English. Negative sentence will be he does not speak English. Here you can notice with you pronoun we use do not and with he use does not, which I have already discussed. Now second is question with do, does. We use do or does to make question in the simple present tense. For example, simple sentences you speak English. Okay? For asking question, we will write do you speak English? Now second one is he speak English. For making question for this sentence, we write does he speak English? Okay children, same rule follow with did. For example, now see the sentence. Did you speak English? This sentence is in question. Now, in negative sentence, I did not speak English. Children, always remember that did always use with first form of verb. Okay? Okay children, hope you understood this chapter. Thank you. Have a good day.